So, Roast has a massive queue. We've got a ticket.
40-minute wait.
We're gonna do a bit of shopping first. That's definitely me and you.
I'm the best person. Wow, thank you.
Awesome.
Satisfying pop.
Look how dark and windy it's getting outside.
Yeah.
Rainy season, thunderstorms, any minute now.
Yeah.
Oh no, it is raining.
It is raining.
Proper. Rainy season has well and truly begun. I haven't got an umbrella.
No, what are you doing without your umbrella?
In fact, you know what you do?
Go to Uniqlo and buy
Go
one.
Uniqlo and buy one right now.
It is so grey.
Okay, Uniqlo is right there. We need to go there. We are here. And look at the rain.
Oh, babe, it's not clearing up. Just look at the sky.
I'm getting wet
There's
standing
no
here.
break in it.
Go, go, go!
I think he's gonna go and ride you.
Oh man.
Yeah, I think I want to go home and cuddle up on the sofa.
Got an umbrella. Gonna see if it's still raining.
Yeah, it's still raining.
Yeah.
There's thunder!
And that is thunder.
That officially means that rainy season
Rainy
has started.
It's raining sideways.
Absolutely no way. Absolutely no way that is letting up anytime soon.
Ooh, let's go. So in true Bangkok rainy season fashion, we're abandoning today's plans, heading home.
Put it on his elbow.
Here you go as well. So there's oil all over the BTS escalators, all over my hand, all over my arm, and they're just letting people use the handrail.
Yeah.
Interviews.
Right in the eye. Gross. We're heading back out. Got the umbrella. Going to an open air cinema. We're going to see E.T. the movie.
As in the old school E.T. Steven Spielberg.
This is interesting because I haven't seen it at all throughout my entire life.
Missing out.
I'm apparently missing out, but we're going to find out.
It's an awesome movie.
Well, you haven't seen it since you're 8 years old.
Yeah, but I
I'm
remember
skeptical.
it being good. It's nice.
Cheers.
I bet you regret waiting 28 years to watch that now, huh?
Not really. It was good though.
ครอบครัวที่มีความสุข
What is that?
Wow!
What is that?
What? A plant shop on a truck? So cool!
It's hot. It's sunny. I'm on the way to Bangkok Comic Con. I see Deadpool. What is that?
Seeing whose bottle's going to go down first, aren't they?
Science. What is that?
Alright.
Yeah, get it in.
Thank you.
What is that?
That's your drink, babe. Is it bad? It's just very sweet. It's not bad. It's really scary. I don't like the way he's looking at us.
Don't do that. Did you get shot in the face?
With the fire?
Yeah, the fire got right in the face.
I don't think it got me in the face, but I was really worried that I was going to jump off of that ledge. And I thought, oh, that's a bit scary.
There's more coats out here than is in there. What is that?
What is that?
That is crazy. That guy's still walking around.
What even is it?
Like a popcorn head or
We
something.
need to find out what that is.
You know I can't resist some bread.